ABC Creative Studio. Subscribe to my channel.
In the realm of upcycling and creative arts, few materials offer as much versatility and accessibility as the humble tissue paper roll. Often discarded as waste, these cylindrical cardboard tubes can be transformed into stunning artworks with a little imagination and a few basic supplies. Here are some ideas and tips to help you create beautiful tissue paper roll artworks that showcase your creativity and environmental consciousness. 1. Collect and prepare your materials. Begin by gathering tissue paper rolls from your household. Save rolls from toilet paper, paper towels, and wrapping paper. You'll also need scissors, glue, paint, markers, and any additional decorations like beads, sequins, or fabric scraps. Having a variety of materials on hand will allow you to experiment and add unique touches to your creations. 2. Planning your project. Before diving into your project, take a moment to plan what you want to create. Tissue paper rolls can be used to make a wide range of artworks, from decorative wall hangings to playful sculptures. Sketch out your ideas or look for inspiration online to decide on a design that excites you. 3. Cutting and shaping. One of the most exciting aspects of tissue paper roll art is the ability to cut and shape the rolls into various forms. For flower petals, cut the rolls into rings and then slice each ring into petal shapes. For more complex designs like animals or geometric patterns, flatten the rolls and cut them into the desired shapes. Bending and twisting the rolls can also create interesting effects and dimensions. 4. Creating wall art. Tissue paper rolls are perfect for creating intricate wall art. Start by cutting the rolls into thin rings. Arrange the rings in patterns or shapes on a canvas or directly onto the wall, gluing them in place as you go. Experiment with different arrangements, such as flowers, mandalas, or abstract designs. Paint the rolls before or after assembling to add color and personality to your artwork. 5. Sculpting 3D artworks. For three-dimensional sculptures, think outside the box. Stack and glue rolls together to create structures like towers, animals, or even miniature furniture. Use smaller pieces to add details and texture. Painting your sculptures can bring them to life, while additional materials like fabric or wire can enhance the realism and complexity of your creations. 6. Making functional art. Combine creativity with functionality by using tissue paper rolls to make practical items. Create desk organizers by cutting rolls to various heights and gluing them together on a base. Decorate the rolls with paint, washi tape, or fabric to match your decor. You can also make napkin rings, candle holders, or even small planters by cutting and decorating the rolls appropriately. 7. Crafting holiday decorations. Tissue paper rolls are ideal for crafting holiday decorations. For Christmas, make ornaments by cutting and decorating the rolls with festive colors and embellishments. Create spooky Halloween decorations like bats and spiders by painting the rolls black and adding paper or pipe cleaner details. For Easter, make colorful bunnies and eggs to brighten your home. 9. Adding fine details. To elevate your tissue paper roll artworks, focus on adding fine details. Use markers to draw intricate patterns or designs. Glue on small beads, sequins, or buttons to add texture and sparkle. Consider incorporating other materials like fabric, ribbon, or natural elements like twigs and leaves to enhance the overall aesthetic of your pieces. 10. Displaying your artwork. Once your tissue paper roll artwork is complete, find the perfect spot to display it. Hang wall art in a prominent place to showcase your creativity. Place sculptures on shelves or tables as unique conversation pieces. Functional items like organizers or candle holders can be used in your daily life, adding a touch of handmade charm to your space. By following these tips and allowing your creativity to flourish, you can transform ordinary tissue paper rolls into extraordinary works of art. This eco-friendly crafting not only helps reduce waste, but also offers a fulfilling way to express yourself. So gather your materials, let your imagination run wild, and enjoy the process of creating beautiful tissue paper roll artworks.